everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how to detangle your hair while it's wet, okay? And the reason why I'm doing this video is because I'm someone who likes detangling my hair when it's wet instead of when it's dry, because it's just easier for my hair type and my hair texture. So we're going to explore that a little bit more in this video. So if you guys want to know the tips and advice, especially while I'm doing it here down at Riva, make sure you guys stay tuned and let's get into this video. Okay, so we're gonna start off in this video. Now, first thing, you want to make sure that your hair is washed and you went through the shampoo phase already and you're now in the conditioning phase. So all the advice that I'm going to share in this video, you have to be in the conditioning phase. So you put conditioner in your hair and now we're ready to proceed. And you guys are probably like, girl, where are you? You're not even in the shower. I'm down at a river where I live, literally right behind my house. So I'm just going to do it down here at a river here in Jamaica, because why not? I want to go swimming. Okay, I got a little bit sidetracked. But so again, you want to make sure that your hair is shampooed and now it's conditioned. I'm just going to wet my hair a little bit more because it kind of dried while I was here because the wind's blowing and everything like that. Anyway, so I'm wetting my hair because I love detangling my hair while it's wet in the shower, guys. Like, it's my fave thing to do because it's so much more easier to stress me out. So now I'm putting conditioner in my hair. I'm just using actually a deep conditioner because I finished my regular conditioner earlier while I was here at the river. So I'm just going in with my deep conditioner I got from Dollar Tree. You guys can go watch my Dollar Tree haul where I share natural hair products at Dollar Tree, and I got this deep conditioner at Dollar Tree. And this deep conditioner specifically is for color treated hair, but they do have other type of deep conditioners as well, just to let you guys know. Anyway, so I'm putting that in my hair and I'm making sure that the conditioner is thoroughly in my hair, okay? It's going through every strand in my hair. And when you have thick natural hair like mine, or you have natural hair that gets tangled in 2.2 seconds, you're going to want to do this. So I'm ensuring that the conditioner is in my hair. What conditioner is doing is softening up my hair and making it so much more easier for me to detangle my hair. We love conditioner. Give this video a thumbs up and like it if you love conditioner as well. So this is how my hair looks so far. As you can see, it already looks like very like combed out. It looks so nice and everything like that. But guys, I didn't even comb up my hair. So we're already getting a head start with this conditioner. All right, I'm just gonna add a little bit more because I feel like some parts could add a little bit more. Guys, let me know down below if you love the scenery. Guys, I'm just taking advantage of the beautiful nature here in Jamaica. I'm like, listen, I don't get this stuff in Canada, so I'm going to be doing this video down at Riva in sweet Jamaica. So we're going to proceed onto our most scared thing, which is detangling our hair. So what you want to do, if you're someone who likes using combs in the shower, is going with your wide tooth comb. Down below, I'm indicating that I have a whole huge video talking about natural hair must-haves and a wide tooth comb is necessary. But I'm going with my holy grail detangling brush, which I got from the beauty supply, which I got from Dollar Tree, but you can buy it at the beauty supply store. The only thing is a little bit more pricier at the beauty supply store. And so what you want to do is make sure you detangle your hair fully with the conditioner still in it, and then you're going to want to section your hair and twist your hair. I'm not going to tell you guys to braid your hair or plait it, just twist it, because especially if you're going in with another hairstyle after, which most of us do, you just want to twist your hair, so it just makes detangling your hair so much more easier. And the reason why I'm telling you to section and twist your hair is because if you don't do it, by the time you wash out the conditioner and come out the shower, your hair is tangled again. So it's so annoying. Trust me, this is something I thought about in the shower because I'm like, listen, I'm tired of doing all this, and then I come out and my hair just gets tangled after it dries. So what I've learned is if I follow these steps of putting the conditioner in and then sectioning my hair, putting twists in the hair, and then I can't really tell you guys what we're gonna do next, but doing all that, it makes the process so much more easier. If you have thick hair, it's gonna be so easy for you guys. If you have 4C hair, try this out and let me know, okay? If you guys are getting good advice so far, give it a thumbs up. And make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Annesha.Adams to see more of my hair pictures of my natural hair. And if you guys love the color of my hair so far, I actually have a video of me at the salon dyeing my hair. It was kind of a fail and it came out this color. And so yeah, so I'm just gonna do this for the rest of my hair. As you can see, like, the twists aren't anything perfect. It isn't anything pretty. I could care less. That's not what the focus is on making your hair pretty in this stage. It's all about practicality. And when it comes to natural hair, you have to pick practicality over things that look good sometimes, okay? Anyways, I'm going back in with the same thing. The detangling brush saves lives, and I really, really like this detangling brush, and I need all of you guys to see if you guys would go and get this detangling brush and try it out on your hair too. And again, do all this during your shower routine for your hair routine. Sorry, not your shower routine. Do this all for your hair routine in the shower, and you guys are gonna thank me later. Okay, I'm just doing it really slow today because I was kind of a little bit cold. The wind was blowing down there, and I was like, listen, I'm so cold, I need to go back into the water. So I'm taking my sweet time, but usually I'll do this in 4. Plait my like section my hair in 4 and then twist it. I don't know why I'm doing it in 6 today. Lately I've been sectioning my hair in 6. I just feel like it's been more thicker than usual, which is weird because it's the same hair. So that's what I'm going to be doing for the rest of this video, for now at least, okay, until we can proceed on to the next part of the video. And guys, let me know, have you been natural your whole life like me, or are you just transitioning, or are you just starting your natural hair journey, or are you really young and you're trying to learn some things about your natural hair and how to take care of it and make it so much more easier? So as you can see, this is how the hair looks so far, and now we're going to get into another step where I'm going to share with you guys 2 options that you guys can do when it comes to your natural hair. You can just go in with water and wash your hair out with the twist still in your hair. So your focus is just washing the conditioner out of the hair, and you can do that for your whole entire hair, okay? Now, I've done this probably like a few times because I was like, listen, I don't have time taking all this out and then my hair's gonna be knot again. So I went actually underneath the shower and just washed all the conditioner out still in the style. And it works because if you have braids in your hair and you want to wash your hair while you have like braids in your hair, it's the same thing. So that's one way, and I want you guys to try it and let me know if you guys like it. I've done it multiple times, and the conditioner does not stain my hair or anything. But if you don't want to do that one and you feel like it doesn't wash out the conditioner good enough, what you can do is take it out as I did here and just go in and wash out all the conditioner. So as you can see, I'm using the water and washing out all the conditioner. A lot of people might say, hey, is that conditioner safe for the fishies in the river? Yes, they're safe for the fishies. I wouldn't do anything at the river to jeopardize the fishes because we swim with them. We appreciate nature. We appreciate the fishes because they help a lot for many different things in our ecosystem with our environment. But yeah, I'm just sharing these things with you guys. All this stuff is going to make detangling your hair while wet so much more easier. On my channel, I have a video on how to detangle your hair while it is dry, and I share an array of methods on how to detangle your hair when it's dry. It's so painful detangling your hair when it's dry, and it's so time consuming, and it's something that I think we all avoid. But you can watch that video if you're interested. Now, after when I'm done washing out my hair, for this video, I'm just going to put it up in one because I'm going swimming right after this. I am so excited, but literally that's really it on how you would detangle your hair in the shower. Listen, let me tell you something. Let me leave you guys with a message before I come off this video. When it comes to your natural hair, do what works, and you don't always have to follow the rules. If you feel like detangling your hair in the shower works best for you and your lifestyle, do it. I've been doing it my whole life, and I did not experience any hair loss or a shortage of my hair not growing, if that's a thing. So do what works for you guys. That's what matters when it comes to doing your natural hair. I'll link all my other videos on the screen here. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Au revoir.